It's the 50th anniversary of Matrox, and we're going to be talking to Alberto Chieri, Senior Vice President, Sales and Marketing of Matrox Graphics.
Yes, we have several different products. We have one that's a pure software product. It's called Matrox Origin. It's for developers. Basically, it's a framework, an SDK. There's two versions of it. There's something we call the Origin Fabric, and there's something called the Framework. So Fabric is the software that allows you to communicate with resiliency, with synchronization between different applications running on host computers or in the cloud. And then we have something called the Framework, which is a bunch of different microservices that we provide, or even customers can build onto the software that allow them to do any different functions they want, like to be able to build a pure live production system on a COTS-based hardware. Okay, so it's a very cost-effective solution because it runs on COTS. It's what we're seeing from the market. A lot of our typical broadcast customers are going in this direction. So this allows them to do that. We also support MXL, which is also a standard that's being built in the industry right now to allow different software from different manufacturers to talk in and out. But when they bring it into our fabric, it allows them to get resiliency, allows them to have redundancy. It just brings a whole other world when actually the applications run on our fabric. That's the main advantage. Here at the show, we have a couple of really important partners that are showing products running on Origin. So we have EVS that has a product called Tarek that is running on Origin. And we also have one from Asia called Amagi, who's showing the Studio E product running on Origin. So we're very proud, and we have a bunch of other communities. If you take a look at our wall here, this is a community of different partners that we already have running on Origin. And on the far left there, you can see Amagi logo. Okay, so this is something we're very proud of. This is brand new news here at the show, and it's just a community that keeps on building. Well, fundamentally, there is nothing on the market today that is like Origin. Origin is super unique.
Oh,
okay?
Wonderful.
Because there are people that are running software in the cloud or software on the prem, but they don't know how to have the same ability to run with the resiliency that we have. They don't have that fabric that we have to really be able to do the exchange of content and data between one application and another. That's the real uniqueness of the product. Well, when it comes to Origin, it's been typically broadcasters, SIs, developers. Many of the booths that you see here at the show are our typical customers. A lot of them have been our customers for our IO cards, our 2110 cards, and so on. Those are the typical people that are here for that product. Then at the show, we're also showing our different appliances, what we call our appliances. So we have a brand new IP KVM called Avio 2. It's the world's first NMOS 2110 capable IP KVM. And here at the show, we're showing support for 5K, as you see there.
Yep.
And this is an intriguing product for a lot of people who have OB vans that are being networked up with 2110, and then now they can be able to run their KVM on that same network. This is very special, very unique. There's nobody else at the market right now doing that type of thing. We also at the show are showing our new. Come with me here. We have the Spion, which is a IP gateway. It's a system that supports many different protocols. So ST2110, the IPMX, NDI, SRT, and JPEG XS. So it's an IP gateway that allows you to basically bring your content into your 2110 network or IPMX network. And then we also have our world-class Matrox Convert IP family, which is our 2110/IPMX converters to allow you to go from IP to HDMI or to SDI. Allows you to go from IP to baseband type networks. We've been selling a lot of them, and this is a product that we're selling not just into the broadcast market, but also into what we call the Pro AV or corporate AV spaces. So we're having a lot of corporate accounts coming here, banks, insurance companies, universities, government agencies that are building out new IP-based studios.